Banange, my people. Yes, of course, here we are starting with the nature trail. And the first thing imeni catch. If you are not barefoot, then you are overdressed. God, I'm overdressed, my people. My Jesus, I'm overdressed. So basically, before we do anything, we have to get through the procedures. We see what we are going to do.
Yes.
Sawa. And poa sana, ni aje bro? Unaitwa nani? Ninaitwa Mark. And it is first time tunaingia Camp Ndunda. So tunafaa kufanya nini? What do we do?
First of all, I would like to welcome you guys to Camp Ndunda.
Thank you so much.
Actually, one of the best places to be.
Yeah.
They say this is the home of adventures. Yes. We have a couple of activities, not only activities but hikes activities. I can brief when you follow. Habari zenyu? Kwa salama? Haya, so karibuni sana. My name is Chris. In Nature Trail, you're going to meet 3 of our hikes activities. Alright, as you can see kumenyesha, kunateleza. Naona memo kidogo ilipotea mahali. Yes, so hope you'll be comfortable with the shoes. Kuna zingine? Utakuwa poa. Wende tu pole pole. Sasa haya. You just be careful. Mbele kikataa, what do I mean? If unatembea uone kiatu chako ina grip, you can use your sides like this. Pole pole tu. Hakuna haraka. Sawa. You don't run inside the trail, you just walk. Right? Along the trail, we also have a big river passing through all our activity called River Rupingazi. River Rupingazi. Yes. I don't know if you knew we are inside a forest known as Njukiri Forest. So you're inside a forest. Camp Ndunda is part of Njukiri Forest, right? Njukiri Forest. It's approximately 384 acres. Alright? Yes, it may stretch up to Embu town and it may stretch the other side up to Kirinyaga County. Sawa. Along the nature trail, we have the first activity, which is wild swing. Have you ever heard of the wild swing? Yes, a wild swing, as the name suggests, it's just a swing and it's in the wild. Alright? But now this one is high and long. Right? Remember, it's a heights activity. This is the third best adrenaline activity we have in Kenya after skydiving, bungee jumping, then the wild. So if you get a chance to do the Talk bucket list here, one of the most the best adrenaline activity we have in Kenya. So and we charge it at 500 Kenya shillings per swing. Alright? We have the next activity over there, which is the canopy walk. The canopy walk is a bridge. It's a 450 meters long bridge, and the bridge is shaky. Right? The bridge is shaky. So kindly do not shake the bridge, do not jump, just walk.
Shaky meaning iko loose ama shaky meaning inafaa kuwa hivyo?
Iko hivyo because unaona iko suspended juu ya hewa. Yeah, so it's shaky.
But it's stable.
Yeah, it's very stable.
For sure.
Very. Ni vile when you shake aggressively, for example, your friend was holding, maybe alikuwa anachukua pictures and selfies, ukishake aggressively, anaweza angusha. Sawa. Ingine ni maybe your friend is too scared, amejishikilia kwa rail because we have rails za kujishikilia. Unaona ukimshtua hana ile courage, anaweza shtuka afanye kitu unexpected. Sawa. So please do not shake. Kama unataka hiyo adrenaline ya shake iko. Alright? Iko. So there's no need of you shaking vigorously. Kwa pamoja. Hiyo iko inclusive na the entrance fee. And the last activity is down there is the zip line. Our zip line is 250 meters long at 1,000 Kenya shillings. Any question back hapo? So unfortunately, as you can see, kuna waterfalls. We have two waterfalls, but today hamtaweza kuzi access because of the rains. The only way to access the waterfalls, to get a clear pictures of the waterfalls, ni juu ya daraja, the canopy walk. Yes, so if you utaweza kuingia canopy, unfortunately utaweza kuona waterfalls zetu. In each activity, we have instructors waiting up on ground. Right, so you can see the activity.